Hi everyone, I'm Bruce Swartz. Thanks for stopping by. Guys, check it out. At the bottom of Mare Serenitatis, there's this crater. So from here, Bessel to Plinius crater, this is Plinius crater right here. There's a ray system with a high albedo. Now hold on. To the back, look at this crater. Look at it properly. Look all around it as we're panning up here. There are 5 ray systems. In no way these are ray systems. I want to show you that they are 5 constructed objects that are very hard. Same reflectivity as the surface, almost impossible to see. I'm telling you guys, take a close look at it. We're going to see it. We're going to come back to it. Here we're looking at also today the Apollo 17 right here, the landing. That's where they landed. This is Mons Argaeus, and look at the structured objects here. This wall goes all the way to Plinius crater here. Now hang on. Look at the ray system between Plinius crater and Bessel crater right here. It goes all the way past with a high albedo, meaning it's higher and more elevated than Bessel crater itself. It goes completely across the mare. It cannot be a ray system. How can a ray system be thousands of feet high up in the sky? It is known as an anomaly by NASA, and it's talked about a lot. So this ray system does not make any sense as it longs Bessel crater here. And night vision, we can see a very good view actually of Mons Argaeus, and so long me, the reason why they would have embarked there, to go there, have a launch and land where there's a lot of structured objects to be able to see it, and probably even a road going all the way to Plinius crater. But that other crater, we're going to look at it in very close detail, but it is so hard to show you guys. I'm telling you, anyone with telescopes, go to this crater right beside Plinius crater that we're going to see with the arrows up here. I'm going to show you guys exactly the ray system directions leaving this crater beside Plinius. Check it out. No jokes. 1, 2, 3 to that big center line, and there are also exactly symmetrical like the 2 ones on top. On the bottom, these 2 right here. It's 5 ray systems. So the best I can do is play this little piece of footage back again. Trust me, you'll see it. It's hard to see, but it's the same reflectivity. Focus on this crater and look at the ray system around it, leaving towards the right. There are 5. It looks like a crown, perfectly symmetrical, and you could see it in various areas in my footage and other videos too. But again, showing something that has the same reflectivity as the surface is so darn hard to get others to see it. And when you upload it on YouTube, again, it's like those lines want to disappear. Just a little update on Mars. Well, before anyone goes to Mars, we're going to have to, they are going to have to overcome a couple of things. And you guys know about this. Is pretty interesting. In 2012, a Dutch entrepreneur group began raising funds for a human Mars base to be established in 2023 on planet Mars. This mission is intended to be primarily a settlement mission with no return trip to Earth planned, meaning the ones that are going and the ones who signed up for this, which there are many that did, are not coming back to Earth. They're going there to live there permanently. But there's a lot of things they must overcome. Cosmic radiation and other radiation from other areas around Mars. Mars has 5 times the gravity, so we'll see no Olympics on Mars. People won't jump and run very fast. But it's very interesting to think of that. The initial plan included an orbiter and demonstration lander in 2018, followed by a rover in 2020, and the base components in 2024. So to get there, they're going to have to wait for the low altitude to be able to get there because of the way the atmosphere is around Mars, and that's in 2033. Low altitude orbit, meaning on the surface of Mars, every so many years, at one point the atmosphere is lower. It's always changing, and to do a launch to get to Mars, they always take into consideration the height and thickness, or whatever, quantity of gravity and atmosphere, for sure. The volunteers going to Mars are going to be in danger of ionizing radiation, also cosmic radiation, cosmic rays, to test exploration. But there's a lot of talk about it. They're fighting over it. They got Congress in this, the military in this, the states, NASA, the space station. After this, they do not know what they're going to do. They were talking about going directly to Mars, or first starting by getting funds to go to the moon, then going to Mars, but they said it was too expensive. reason this channel is operational and still up and running is thanks to the community. And guys, I can't thank you all enough for all of your support, shares, and interest in my research. A lot more to come. And speaking of contributors, Joseph Nolan, I can't thank you enough, brother, for all the contributions and the generous help. Thanks for subscribing, everyone.